Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to make a homemade exfoliating gel using cucumber and chia seeds. It's light and refreshing combination that will help give your skin a natural glow. Want tips on how to make your own skin exfoliating gel? Then let's get started. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment. Hit the notification bell and share this video and seize every opportunity to live a more natural life. I'll start by making the base for our gel. In a container, I'll add half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. To form the gel, I am adding a quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum. Then I will mix these two ingredients thoroughly. Xanthan gum disperses easily in glycerin, which prevents lumps from forming in the final gel. I chose a cosmetic gum instead of chia gel because once the seeds absorb too much liquid, they get too soft to exfoliate the skin. Now I will let the xanthan gum hydrate for a few minutes. Meanwhile, in another container, I'm going to mix the other ingredients. Here I have 50 milliliters of water. And I'm going to add 20 milliliters of cucumber juice. Since the cucumber I'm using is organic, I left the skin on. If you haven't seen the video on how to extract cucumber juice yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. Next, I will add a small amount of rose hydrosol, which will help with hydration and toning while adding a beautiful scent. I will also leave the full ingredient measurements in the description below. With the gum already hydrated, I will now combine the two parts, gradually adding the cucumber juice to the gum mixture. Stirring well after each pour until the gel absorbs all the liquid. Cucumbers are mostly water, but they're also packed with skin-benefiting nutrients such as vitamin C and K, as well as silica. They are great for cleansing pores, reducing oil, refreshing, and giving the skin a hydrated glow. However, if you have sensitive skin, you might experience some irritation. So always do a patch test on a small area before applying it all over. And finally, I will add half a teaspoon of chia seeds, which will be our natural exfoliant. I'm adding the seeds now to show you the final look, but remember, they will soften as they absorb the liquid. For a best exfoliation, only mix them right before you use it. If you want a refreshing cucumber mask instead, just pour the cucumber juice directly on the chia seeds and let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel. And the exfoliating gel is ready to use. Apply immediately after preparation on clean skin using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then just rinse it off. What did you think of this recipe? Are you going to try it at home? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave a comment below and see you in the next video.